Brock Bowers is the third Georgia player this season to undergo tightrope surgery, a procedure that helps stabilize the ankle after a high ankle sprain. In lieu of metal screws, which are more rigid, you can see medical sutures are inserted into the ankle, and there's a little bit more give. This allows for a faster return to play oftentimes. This has actually been around since 2005, but the procedure has gained more fame, at least in the sports world, since Tua Tagovailoa underwent it in 2019, returning to play just 4 weeks later. I talked to Emory Dr. Sam Labib about what tightrope surgery actually is and what comes next from rehab to recovery.
Now we have multiple studies that show that it works, and it's as good as a screw, if even better. Our patients tell us that once we fix it, they feel more secure and they can move easier, and then we allow them to put weight on it sooner.
Invented by Brian Thorns in Ireland, Arthrex's tightrope threads through the fibula and tibia to support that rubber band ligament in between the bones. The sutures you're looking at are made of a durable polyethylene and braided polyester. With screws, Labib would leave them in athletes for 3 months before they need to come out at risk of breaking. But with the tightrope, there's no need for routine removal. There's 2 concerns: if the buttons cause irritation, but Labib said for him, 90% of the time or more the implant stays in, or if it's not strong enough support, but that's why you see 2 ropes here, which he always uses in athletes. Georgia hasn't indicated how severe Bowers' sprain is, so it's hard to pinpoint what date, if at all, he could return. For mild high ankle sprains, Labib sees possible returns to play as soon as a few weeks, but it can be up to 6 to 8 weeks post-op for more severe and somewhere in between for moderate.
It reaches a point where you can go back to walking and then running and then cutting and then pivoting. All these activities require a stable ankle.
Bowers got tightrope surgery October 16th, midway through Georgia's season, with the tough part coming up. A full recovery is anticipated for Bowers, but no timetable for a return to play was given. But now, as the star tight end tries to get back healthy, you have a better understanding of what he's going through.